Now you may be asking how I filled this large area with acacia logs. Now, you might be thinking that I'm using Worldedit, but this isn't true, because there's a way to have something like Worldedit in vanilla Minecraft, where you can just, so there's this command called /fill. So, if you want certain coordinates of a block, then you just press tab 3 times if you're in Java Edition. If you're in Bedrock Edition, I'm sorry. And then you type in the coordinates of the other block, so everything in between those two blocks will be filled with the type of block you type here. So let's say I want it to be filled with stone. And here you go, you get a thing filled with stone. Now, keep in mind that for larger areas, it'll get pretty laggy, and if you're not going to be using like the tab thing, then you have to manually go to F3 and look at your coordinates. Now also, if you want to copy a structure that's not like a rectangle, like for example this, then you can do /clone and do the same thing as /fill. And you can press tab 3 times and then go to the other side of the thing and do that. You can break that block and then put it anywhere you want. Now, see, this will always be the northwesternmost block here, so that like when you want to clone something, like for example right here, you can go up and press tab 3 times. The block that you're putting down will be the most northwesternmost block of the build that you're cloning. And you can use this to create like nice builds, like for example, like if you want to make a big build, then you don't want to just fill in all this area by yourself. You can just do /fill, press tab 3 times, and then /fill, press tab 3 times, and all of that oh right, you have to sorry, you have to type in the name of the block. So polished andesite, or I forgot what it was. Okay, andesite. You can fill this whole area without even having to place the blocks. There are some setbacks with this, like with glass panes. So if you /fill a certain area with glass panes and put like blocks here, then if you do /fill, tab 3 times, and then to the other coordinate, tab 3 times, and then glass pane, then what should happen is that they won't be touching the wall, and you're gonna have to replace them manually, like that. So that is one setback, and it happens with most glass panes and some other blocks. Another interesting thing that I found is if you /clone a chest, then I forgot. If you /clone a chest, then it'll put its contents into the thing that it just /clone to. So this might be useful in a few ways. Like anything that has inventory, if you /clone it somewhere else, then the inventory will be saved. Also, if you /clone an area containing armor stands, then item frames. Armor stands will not work. If you /clone an area containing item frames, then the item frame and its contents will be copied over to the other area. Sorry for the voice crack. Actually, I guess it won't. What? And as always, thanks for watching.